there, so today I'm going to be doing a review on the newest brush set from Shop Miss A. This is the Paw Paw Charity All About Eyes brush set plus brush holder. It does retail for $10.55. The extra 55 cents go towards charity for animal cruelty, which is amazing. So in this set, it comes with 10 brushes, starting from E125 to E134. Sadly, on these brushes, it doesn't say what kind of brushes it is, which would help a lot. It doesn't matter if it has a name or not, but it would be a great help to those of you who are beginners. It will help you to know, okay, this brush goes over here, this brush goes over here. Even if it doesn't, it's totally fine too, because you can use the brush to however you like. So starting from E125. Okay, so now let's get on to the tutorial using these brushes. Okay, so this is the final look. I know I didn't show when I blended out the crease to the side and when I cut my crease even bigger. I know I didn't show it, but it was because I wasn't sure if I was going to do that. and then off camera I did, and don't worry, I just used the brushes that came in the set. I didn't use my own brushes. I was tempted to, but I didn't because I wanted to challenge myself and use these brushes to see if I can use as much as I can out of this set. Let's start off with the pros and then we'll end with the cons of this brush set. The pro with this is that this set is targeted towards your eyes, so you have all these brushes for your eyes, which is amazing. And then the second pro is that there is a variety of brushes. There's blending brushes, there's specific detail brushes, there's eyebrow brushes, there's a spoolie. And then the third pro is that it comes in a brush holder, which is very versatile for you. If you are a person who travels a lot, then it's good for you because then you could just grab this and go, and then you don't have to worry about having a container for your brushes. So that is basically all the pros that I have. I mean, besides the fact that they're really soft, I washed them before, they still turn out really good, still, you know, usable, so that's a good thing. Okay, now let's go on to the cons. Even though there is quite a bit of cons, you just have to consider it for yourself if you want these brushes or not. So the first con is that this brush set is smaller than typical brushes. Okay, so here's one of my blending brush, and it's compared to the blending brush that I use in here. It is shorter, meaning that your regular size brushes is not going to fit in it. And if it fits in it and you can close it, it means that the bristles on the brushes is bent. This brush set is smaller than normal brushes. You can really tell from the brush holder it's small. The second con is that it is white. The bristles of these brushes are white, so it's gonna be hard for you to clean these brushes. Like I said, I've washed these previously before I used them, and then I tried creating a tutorial or review with these brushes, and then I messed up, so I washed them again. And then when I washed them the second time around, some of the brushes are stained. I can tell you which ones I know is going to have a hard time coming out. The one with colors, it's gonna be hardest to get the stains out. And then this one, I don't know if you can tell right here, it is pink. That is from previous trial, and I used this for the pink shade, and it totally stained. I tried the best I can. Even some of the bristles in the center is stained pink. So do be aware that these bristles are white, they're going to stain. Third con is that there isn't as much detail brushes as I would hope there to be. The only two detail brushes that I used was these two right here because they're really small, which is basically the eyebrow brush, and to me I would assume the inner corner brush. So out of the 10 brushes, I only ended up using 8 out of 10, which is totally fine because the other two that I didn't use, they're basically just more blending brushes. So out of this set, I feel like there's more blending brushes than actual eye brushes. So let's get on to each individual brush and see what I use it for. I'm just going to grab it in a random order and talk to you about what I used it for. So this first one, it is the 134. This is the small brush. So I did use this for my brow bone highlight, and I use it for my inner corner, and I also use it to carve out my crease off camera. So this brush is very versatile. You can use it for so many things. The second brush here is the 132. It is a rounded brush. To me, I use this brush to pack on the black color on the outer corner of my eyes. It packed on really nice. I liked it. It blended out nicely too. Another thing I'll use this for is also my inner corners right here. If I haven't used it for the black, I would have used it to pop in my inner corners. The third brush I use is the 130. Along with 126 and then 130, these two brushes, I used these two brushes to blend out my crease or to blend out the transition shade. Then the next one is 128. This brush is a must-have for anyone who does makeup. That's how I feel, because this brush goes right into your crease. I also use it to blend out my lower lash line, so it has a lot of uses. And then 129. I use this brush to set my primer, my eyeshadow primer. It works fine. I mean, I don't see anything wrong with this brush besides it's white. It's going to stain. It's also really nice to blend too. Like if you were to add like the lid color and then you were to try to blend the edges, it will help blend your edges for you before you blend it out with another brush. And the next brush I use is the 131. This brush to me is a concealer brush, but it's very versatile. I use it for so many other things besides just concealer. As you can see, I use it to cover my crease too and apply it on the base before I apply on my crease color. So this brush is also very versatile. And then the next one is the eyebrow brush. I like it how it also comes with a spoolie. It's very, very convenient. The way I would recommend you to store it is to store it with the spoolie face down, because if we were to store it this way down, it's going to ruin the bristles. So I would recommend you to store it this way, because this part right here is flat. It's not going to ruin these bristles, versus it will ruin this if you were to put this on the bottom of your brush holder. I use it for my brows. I also use it for my lower lash line. I tried using this brush for my lower lash line, but it's too thick and too big. This brush is too big to apply onto my lower lash line, that I was scared. I don't know if you saw, but I was scared when I applied it on. So this was my hero. This helped me so much in terms of this makeup tutorial, and I really thought this brush right here is very versatile. The two brushes that I didn't end up using was 127 and 125. These are just more blending brushes. You know, there's already a lot of blending brushes, so I don't really need more. So the final verdict, would I recommend this? Would I do recommend this for $10.55, and it comes with a brush holder. It's very travel friendly for you to just take this and go, especially if you have shorter brushes too. It will be very convenient for you to just store in this very handy dandy brush holder. It's very sturdy too, like the brush holder is very sturdy. You can hear the click is really nice and really sturdy, and then like it's not going to budge. So yeah, I do recommend this brush set for you. I'll link down below Shop Miss A's website along with the link for these brushes, so that if you're interested, you can go ahead and get it. So with that being done, I have a surprise for you. Yes, I have a surprise for you. You probably did not even see this coming. Girl, I got you. I am giving one of you guys a set. So one of you out there is going to get this set. I am so excited. Like I don't know, I'm so excited. I'm like so cheesy right now. Let's just put this on the side because it's very loud. I'm so happy because it's my first giveaway on my channel. I wanted to surprise you and save it to the end to give this giveaway to you, because I didn't want you to watch it based on a giveaway. I want you to watch it because you want to watch it, and then ta-da, you stumble upon a giveaway. Yeah, I'm giving this brush set away to one of you. So this giveaway is going to start today, March 2nd, and it's going to end March 16th, 12 a.m. Pacific time. So technically it's like 17th if you think about it. This is international, so anywhere you are, I'm going to send it to you. The rules for you to enter is very simple. There's only 3 rules. The first one is just to subscribe to this channel. The second one is to comment down below what state do you live in, and then the third one is with your comment, put your email address so that I can email you if you were the winner. I just wanted you to let me know what state you live in so that I have an idea where I'm shipping to. If you're under 18, please have your parents' consent before you enter this giveaway. I don't want you to enter this giveaway and all of a sudden something show up for you and then your parents like, what's this? Like, what did you order? And I don't want you to get in trouble for it. So yeah, that is all for this review and this giveaway for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you're getting this brush set and if you're excited for this giveaway. I am excited to see where you guys are from, what state I live in. I live in California, so that's something about me to you. Now I want to know where you live, what state you live. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.